Hello everyone, in this video we will create an animated video like this, okay, using Canva. This is just an idea for you, but you can add your related to your idea, the elements, the landscape and the background, whatever you want. Okay, so this was just an idea how to create it using Canva. So let's get started. Before starting, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, open Canva website for this animated video. After that, come here to the video and we will select this one, okay, the video design, or you can select your design, okay, by pressing this create a design. So I'm not connected with internet, so let's refresh it. So after opening your designs, now we will start our designing. Okay, first of all, come here to the left sidebar to the elements. Coming to the elements, search here, for example, landscape. So after searching for that, you have different options. You can move to the photo or move to the graphics. I will select the graphics. Then here we will just choose a landscape like this one, okay. So after taking the landscape, now we will just add animated characters or birds or something, okay. For that again we will search in elements. Let's first of all add an animated bird, okay. Search for bird and move to the graphics, and we have different options, okay, to add an animated bird. Here you can select the animated, okay. In the filter you can select animated, okay, to see the animated result. These are different options, okay, that you have. So let's, for example, which one we should select? Yeah, the first one is okay. Yeah, we will select the first one. Let's bring it here, and let's now search for butterfly. That should be an animated one, okay. Let's add this one. Bring it here. Let's search, for example, for rabbit, okay. So let's search for, yeah, that is an animated one. So we are looking for an animated rabbit, okay. Let's wait for loading of it. So we will select let's select one. Let's select this one, okay. After selecting it, let's bring it here. Now we will add animation, okay. So to add the animation, for that just select that element. After that, come here to the animate. After coming to the animate, here we have create an animation. Press this button. After that, now we will just move our element, okay. So let's move it. For example, it should go like this, okay, until this area. And now let's make it steady, and the speed should be slow. Let's make it slow, the speed, okay. And now let's animate this one, okay, the butterfly. So for that, again I will just add, let's like this, okay. It will come here. Let's decrease the speed and make it steady. Let's add animation to this one, okay, to the rabbit. So for that, again we will add the animation like here, okay, like this. So let's decrease the speed for this also and make it steady. So this is the first page, okay, that we have designed, and the animated animation looks like this, okay. This is just an idea that you can create the animation for kids stories, for kids, okay. You can add your related to your stories and related to your idea, like that animation, okay. You can add them. Now let's move to the second page and we will design on another page. So for that, I will search river landscape or river in landscape, okay. Let's move to the graphics. Let's wait for it. Yeah, let's select one. So let's select this one. Okay, the first one, let's increase the size, and it looks like this. Now let's search for duck. Okay, for example, add duck to this river. Okay, for example, let's add this one. Okay, so this is the pre one, we will add it. Let's add it here, 12v8. Let's decrease the size. It will looks like this. Okay, so now we will add animation to these. Okay, just press the element and come here to the animate. Again, press this button. So after that, just move it. Okay, move it like this until this area. Now let's add to this one. Okay, so to add to this one, we will bring it here. Let's add now to this one. Okay, it will looks like this. Come back here. Okay, sorry, we should not do like that. For this one, it should move like this. Okay, like this. Okay, and now let's add to this one. It will move to this area, and it will move to this area. Okay, so we have added the animation to these also like this. Okay, you can add animation, you can add your choice landscape or background and elements that you want. So it was all about okay to create an animated video using Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.